Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we will see how to print Hallow scare. So for that purpose we have to declare variables. So I am declaring variable int I, j and sides, and we have to use these variable in our program. So the next step is we have to enter the sides of scare by user. That's why I'm using printf, and I want to print the line that enter enter the enter the number 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 of sides. So it will print this line. And the next step is we have to use data type input rows. I'm using data type. I want to take input, so that's why I should use address with rows, so it will take the input. So I'm using side, and I should have to write with address. In the next step we use for loop. So as you know, in nested loop the first for loop is always used for rows, and it also has three parts. First one is initialization, second one is condition, and the third one is updation. So I'm initializing I is equal to 0, it will start from 0, remember it. And the next one is condition, which I am using here. So I use the condition I less than sides. And the third part is updation, so I'm updating I plus plus, so it will update I plus plus. So this is our first for loop for rows. So now I'm using second for loop. So as you know, in nested for loop, the second loop is always used for columns, and it also has three parts. First one is initialization, and the second one is condition, and the third one is updation. So I am initializing j is equal to 0, it is starting from 0, and j less than side, and then updation is j plus plus. This is our second for loop to print columns. And the next step is very important, it is very main point to be remembered, that create hollow scare. So I am using condition that create hollow scare. So let's start. So first I am using if condition, if I is equal to 0, and I'm using or operator. So and the next condition that I use here, I equal to, so I'm using double equal, because it will using or operator between them, and side minus 1. So I is used in first loop, that's why it will create space in rows, and then again or operator, and j equal to 0, j equal to side minus 1. So I'm using here j, and you know I use j in second for loop, that's why it will create space in our columns. So that's why the hollow square space will be created. When above all conditions will true, then it will print stars. So I'm printing stars, so that's why I'm using printf, and it is stars, so it will print stars. If above condition is not true, then it will only create space. So that's why I'm using printf and double commas with space, so it will creating space. And the next is I want to print stars in a new line, that's why I'm using backslash n, so that it will print all stars in a new line and will create a sequence to print hollow square. So let's run our program. So guys, this is actually the main part of our program, and now run the program and let's see our output is correct or not. So guys, if you like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Now I'm running my program and see output that I want. So I'm running, and then compile my program and see, enter the number of sides, so I'm entering 5. So let's again run the program. So I'm running my program and let's see. So and then compile, enter sides of square. So I'm entering 5 and it will create hollow square. So it will hollow square. So guys, again run the program, and I'm entering side here. I'm entering the side of square is 9. So it is 9 rows and 9 column, and the space between them is hollow. That's why it is hollow square. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more such type of video. Thanks for watching.